So let's see Roults Law. And we are considering this one in the case of volatile substances. So what we discussed up to now, if at all we are taking any volatile substance, the partial pressure exerted by the gas is nothing but vapor pressure. So based on that thing, Roults proposed one law, that is Roults Law. Let's see what is that one. So we are discussing about partial pressure here. So that partial pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. Mole fraction, we discussed that one and we denote that one with X. Partial pressure exerted by vapor or gas on a surface of liquid or solution is directly proportional to the mole fraction of that liquid or solution. Let's see this law. This law can be explained by using two cases. First one is case 1. If both are volatile in nature, means volatile solute and volatile solvent. Means instead of taking liquid, we are taking solution. So let's see how this case is going to affect the. Let's see whether this case follows the Roults Law or not. So same thing, let's take a container. In that, take some liquid or solution. This is solute if we say. This is closed. As this is a volatile in nature, vapor or some molecules are changed into vapor or gaseous form. Then some sort of a pressure is going to exert by this gas. So that is nothing but vapor pressure. Let's take this one as PA0, pressure exerted by the gas. Let's take this solute as A, name this solute as A, then the partial pressure exerted by the gas is PA0. Next, say in the same manner, let's take some solute here, solvent here. Let's say this one as PB, same thing. So the pressure exerted by this one is PB0. But let's assume that PB0 is less than PA0. Why we are assuming like this means obviously what is PA0? Only for solute. Here solvent. And that too, some solute particles are present in this one. So vapor pressure exerted by a PA0 is greater than PB0. So if both molecules combines, what happens? Solution. We are putting some PA solute A and solvent B so that we'll get some sort of a solution here. But our condition is PB0 is less than PA0. Let's calculate that one. What is the total pressure formula? Total pressure is equal to PT is equal to PA plus PB. We discussed all these things. Basing on the vapor pressure, what we understood? Vapor pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction, or else by Roults Law, vapor pressure is directly proportional to mole fraction. This is for solute. PA is directly proportional to XA, mole fraction of solute A. And in the same manner, PB directly proportional to XB, mole fraction of solvent. Then, what is PA? PA equal to P0A XA, PB is equal to P0B XB.